I tell people around the world that the Benchmark event is the premier event for a couple of reasons. One is this time you've brought in all the disparate parts of the supply chain. So if you're an investor who's interested in the green energy metals, you don't have to go to 4 conferences or 5 conferences. You don't have to go to another continent. You can get it all here, and we've got people from around the world. It's my honest opinion that this is the event to go to in the battery metal space.
This event for us has been phenomenal. It's a great opportunity to bring together not only companies such as First Cobalt, which is really sort of at the beginning of the supply chain as a cobalt exploration and development company, and get to talk to companies further down the supply chain. So Benchmark does a really phenomenal job of bringing together the entire chain and giving us all an opportunity to understand one another's needs.
It's by far the best conference on the battery supply chain that you can attend. It's been great seeing people throughout the supply chain, not just the mining companies, but the people overseeing, the analysts within the industry, and the chemicals folks, the cathode folks, the anode folks. It's definitely a comprehensive conference, really useful.
It's a great event bringing together different aspects of the battery supply chain. It's good to see all the lithium brine developers, not all of them, but many of them together in one place, and to see the amount of lithium that's available from all those projects together.
This is, in my mind, the best conference that we attend on a regular basis. The reason being, it gives us access to brokers, it gives us access to funds, offtake partners, and the macro view, you know, the data that we get from being here and the quality of the information that's presented from the small guys and the big guys right through. It is just it's a spectacular place, and we have this as our premier conference that we'll attend each year because it just delivers everything that we haven't found anywhere else.
As a developer, there's few opportunities that you have to interact with the major players in the industry and to really, hear from the key analysts. Benchmark has successfully built a business that allows companies like ours not only to present our story, but also to learn from the other participants in the industry.
If I could only go to one conference in a year, I would come to this one because we've got small players and large players from the entire value chain in batteries. Large automakers, small automakers, battery makers, supply side, lithium, cobalt. And we don't just see the business opportunities, but also the things that we should be working on, something I've missed. How can we adjust our business case to actually deliver better value for our shareholders and actually fit into the future?